Hello everyone, this is Varun Cheshanai back with another video. All the latest Malayalam movies have these three things in common. First of all, it should have a ghost or any such paranormal activities. Secondly, it should always have a lady and her child living in a very big house. Last but not the least, it should have a law enforcement officer not believing in anything other than facts of science. This was the same plot of the latest Prithviraj starrer Cold Case, which was released few days back on Amazon Prime Video. Cold Case, written and directed by the newcomer Tanu Balak, produced by Antu Joseph, Jomon T. John and Shamir Mohammed, starring Prithviraj Sukumaran, Aditi Balan, Suchitra Pillai, LNCR, late actor Anil Nedumunkaadu and many more. Now guys, let's start with the review. First of all, the style and the physique of the lead actor Prithviraj is remarkable, with his abs showing up his uniform and other outfits. Secondly, cinematography by Jomon T. John, who has also produced this film, has done an excellent job in filming the entire film. Attempt has been made to convey professionalism but ends up cliche. The BGM or the background score composed by Prakash Alex doesn't contribute to the horror element of this film. As you all know, the background score has a very important role to play in all the horror films. I don't see any requirement for a ghost or any such horror elements in this film, and I wonder why the creators of this movie added it. They could have easily transformed it into a full-fledged horror film or a sellable crime thriller. Suchitra Pillai's and LNCR's presence adds to the value to the star cast of this film. It is mainly shot in Trivandrum and a few scenes from Varanasi are thrown in for a change. Pre-COVID and COVID periods are highlighted to solve the mystery. Spoiler alert! I didn't know that ghosts haunt electronic appliances. If you still want to watch this film, you can stream it on Amazon Prime Video. That's it for this video guys. Please do keep up with me on Instagram right here. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button and share your comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for encouraging me on my humble YouTube journey. So till the next video, goodbye, stay safe and have a nice day.